Welcome everyone. Aaj hum ek exciting presentation lekar I hain jo opko, SHARANAM, infraproject and trading limited key bar main batiega. Is slide p hum dek ra hain, kai surf educational purpose key lit high. To investment c pale SEBI, advisor c milna zerori high. Hum target 2026 key li rupee 1. 5 c rupee 3 key market cap kai bot kar ra hain. Abhai Iska market cap rupee 13 crore high, or 52W high rupee 0, 94 high. Current market price, Yani CMP rupee 0, 42 high. Yeah analysis May 2026 key lit high, or yeah English edition main opk somni high. To chaliai, Aj bat hain or is company key bar main detail main, Jankari leet hain. Let's take a closer look at the company overview. This company operates in the trading and distribution sector, specifically within the steel supply chain subsector. Its market capitalization is approximately 13 crore, which indicates a modest but stable size in the market. One of the most encouraging signs is that the company is almost debt-free, which points to strong financial stability and a solid footing for future growth. The company is listed on both BSE and NSE, with the stock code 539,584, and its ISIN is INE104S01022. Being listed on these major exchanges provides liquidity and transparency, which are crucial for investor confidence. The company was incorporated back in 1992. Interestingly, it originally started out in real estate, but later shifted its focus to trading and distribution, specifically in steel products. Today, its core business involves managing the supply chain for steel products, primarily in Gujarat and nearby states, making it a regional player with a strategic presence. Overall, this company has a long history, a stable financial profile, and a focused business model in the steel supply chain sector, all of which are promising signs as we evaluate its potential. Let's take a closer look at our financial performance in Q3 FY25. As you can see, we achieved a profit of 1.02 crore, which is a remarkable turnaround from a loss in Q3 FY24. This shift from a loss to a profit highlights the significant progress we've made. Moving to the net profit for FY25, we're now at 5.08 crore, representing an incredible increase of over 16,800% compared to FY24's rupee 1.76 crore. This is a clear indicator of how our strategies are paying off, and our profitability is improving dramatically. And looking at revenue, FY25 has seen a jump to 37.4 crore, which is more than 20 times higher than the 1.76 crore we recorded in FY24. This kind of growth is nothing short of a dramatic turnaround, and it underscores the effectiveness of our recent initiatives. Overall, this slide captures the essence of our transformation from last year to this year, going from losses to substantial profits and explosive revenue growth. It's a testament to the strong momentum we're building and the potential that lies ahead. Let's take a closer look at the key metrics on this slide. Starting with the current price, it's at rupee 0.42, which places it squarely in penny stock territory. That immediately signals high volatility, so investors need to be cautious here. Moving on to the PE ratio, it's around 2.3 times, indicating that this stock is very cheap relative to its earnings. This suggests it could be undervalued, which is often attractive for value investors. Similarly, the PB ratio is about 0.2 times, meaning the stock's market value is well below its book value, truly a deep value opportunity. Now, looking at the market capitalization, approximately 13 crore, this is a very small cap stock. Such stocks can offer high growth potential, but they also come with liquidity risks, so it's important to be aware of that. Regarding the 52-week high and low, the current price is about 55% below the 52-week high of rupee 0.94. That indicates there's recovery potential if the stock bounces back. Conversely, the recent bottom at rupee 0.25 shows we've already tested lower levels, so monitoring this closely could be key. The debt level is near zero, which is a strong positive. Being almost debt-free reduces financial risk. The return on equity over 3 years averages around 10.4%, which is modest but shows some improvement, signaling potential for growth. However, the debtor days are quite high at 352 days, meaning the company takes a long time to collect cash from customers. This cash flow risk is a concern, so it warrants careful watch. In summary, this set of metrics paints a picture of a deeply undervalued small-cap stock with high volatility and some risk factors, especially around liquidity and cash flow. But it also shows signs of potential recovery and manageable debt levels, which could make it interesting for the right investor willing to navigate these risks. Let's take a closer look at the price history and technical analysis. The all-time high was 1.64, reached in January 2022. Since then, the current price is about 74% below that peak, which indicates a significant decline from its highest point. Overall, the market sentiment is bearish right now. That means we should be cautious if we're considering entering a position. The current price stands at rupee 0.76, which is just above the support level of rupee 0.60. We also see resistance levels at 0.6 and rupee 0.35. These are points where the price may face selling pressure if it moves upward or downward. Looking at the technical signals, the MACD indicator is signaling a sell, suggesting downward momentum. Both the long-term and short-term moving averages are also showing a sell signal, reinforcing the bearish outlook. So, in summary, the technical analysis points toward caution. It's important to keep these resistance and support levels in mind, and to be aware that the overall trend is bearish, which should influence our trading decisions accordingly. Ye targets, yani ki ye jo numbers hain, wo surf potential dictate hain, lekin ye speculative hain. MATLAB, in parkoi SCBI registered analyst ka formal rating available na hai, to opko upna research karna bohat zerari hai. Ob dekat hain, ye potential kitna zayada hai. Sabs pale, 2030 ki li jo target high, wo plus 3471% potential decada high, or price range rupee 12c rupee 15 key beach high. For 2028 ki li, potential plus 1567% high, or price rupee 5c rupee 7 key beach high. 2027 ki li, potential plus 971% high, with a target price rupee 4 to 4.5. Or 2026 ki li, potential plus 614% high, Jiska target price 1.5c rupee 3 key beach high. Abab Haikai market price, yani CMP, rupee 0.42 high. 2. Ye target price roadmap Dakota Haiki Ks, ye stock future main grow car sakta high. Lekin yad rakin, ye surf potential hain. Or opko hammer overall presentation key context main. Ye samaj nazari high key ye surf, ek roadmap high. Real investment decision opko upni research key bod high lana chahiai. Chaliai slide 7p ot hain. Sabs pale, hum dekat hain kai humara 3 sol ka average row surf 10.4% high, jo kai coffee below average high. MATLAB, humapne capital co effectively utilize nahai kar rotha, poor tarek c, pale key whacked main. Next, koi by SCBI registered analyst, ka formal by ya sell rating nahai high. Jo by targets de ya rah hain, wo surf speculative hain, model-based hain. Iska MATLAB ye hai kai market main koi solid, credible analysis supported view nahai high, jo investors ki li cautious re ne kai zararat ko highlight karta high. Fur ada high rupee 0.42 kai current price, Jiska MATLAB high kai ek high din main 10c 20% tac, kai swing possible high. Or kyunki market cap buy low high, to manipulation ka buy katra rita high. Isli I caution ki soth high investment karna chahiai. Agle point, pitchel 3 mahin main retail, holding 9% bad gay high. Iska MATLAB ye high kai shayad institutions ye promoters sell car rah hain, or retail investors usko absorb car rah hain. Ye ek red flag ho sakta high, Kyunki is market sentiment disturb ho sakta high. Or ek or chiz, February 2026 main do independent directors ni resign kia high. Official reason na idea gaya high, jis governance key issues uthtain. Ya by ek warning sign high, jis go hum ignore na high car sacked. Lastly, cash flow kai bot Karen to paisa wapas on main 352 dinlag raw hain. Yani, high debtor days, jo kai bahut risky high. Jab companies co-payment lean main itna zayada time lagta high, to unp depend karna risky ho jada high, especially jab liquidity kai bot adi high. To yes sab red flags or risks hain, jo hammer overall analysis main bahut important hain. Ye factors humin badate hain, kai hamara investment environment kitna cautious hona chahiai. Let's take a closer look at the key points on this slide. Starting with the negatives, the row here is just 10.4%, which is actually quite low by historical standards. That suggests limited profitability relative to shareholders' equity. The stock is classified as a penny stock, meaning it has extreme volatility, making it a risky bet for investors. Technically, the chart indicates a bearish trend since all the moving averages are below, signaling downward momentum. Additionally, there's no SEBI analyst coverage, so there's limited professional analysis or validation of this company's prospects. On top of that, retail investors are increasing their holdings, but institutions are actually selling, which raises some red flags about the confidence in this stock. 2 directors resigned in February 2026, which could be a sign of internal issues or strategic shifts. The debtor days are at 352, meaning the company takes a long time to collect receivables, which poses a cash flow risk. Now, moving to the positives, despite the negatives, this stock does have some compelling points. It's an affordable entry point at just 42 paisa per share, making it accessible for new investors. The company operates in India's growing infrastructure sector, which is a significant tailwind. Its PB ratio is only 0.2x, meaning it's trading well below its book value, suggesting potential undervaluation. The PE ratio is just 2.3x, which is extremely cheap, indicating the stock might be undervalued relative to earnings. Moreover, the company is almost debt-free, which reduces financial risk. Its net profit has skyrocketed by over 16,833%, jumping from negligible levels to around 5 crore rupees, showing a massive turnaround. Revenue has also grown by 2,025% year-over-year, reinforcing the idea that this company has undergone a significant transformation. To summarize, while the stock carries considerable risks, such as technical bearishness and cash flow concerns, it also presents attractive valuation metrics, a growth story, and an entry point that could appeal to investors looking for value in the infrastructure sector. This balance of pros and cons is crucial for making an informed decision. Yes, slide humor overall investment approach key last step summarize karta high. Sabs pale, hum ek important disclaimer key soth shiru kart hain. Ye presentation surf educational purpose key lit high. Isliai, koi buy investment decision lean C pale, SEBI registered financial advisor C consult karna bahat zerori high. Ob, chaliai key steps kai bot kart hain jo opko investment C pale follow karn chahiai. Pela, diversify karna bahat zerori high, matlab, sab kuchek high stock ya asset class me mat lagin. Risk co-spread karna opko surekshadita high. Dusra, surf risk capital lagin, jo paisa op lose car sacked hain, uzi me invest Karen. Tisra, upna stop loss decide karna bahat important high. Is opko pada rehiga kai agar investment nichja rahai high. To op kitna loss tolerate car, sacked hain or usk according action la sacked hain. Or chauthah, SEBI registered advisor C Milna, unkai guidance lena, opk decision-making process strong banata high. Panchwa, BSC filings padheen, J's screener and J's platforms C, Taki opko company key financials or disclosures kaya chai samaj ho. Ya opk analysis or by mazbut banata high. Ob, hum ek example leet hain, Jo suggest karda high kai kis terasi hum upni investment choices refine car sacked hain. Ye ek conservative investor ki lig hi jais thoda allocation consider karna chayai. Lekin stop loss zeror lagana chayai. Wahai. Ek aggressive investor ho to. Wo high risk, high reward stocks jays SIPTL main invest car sakta high. Jo ek speculative penny stock high. Is stock key bar main, financial turnaround clearly dick raha high. Revenue or profit FY25 main dramatically improve hua high. Lekin, technically, ye bearish high or governance concerns by Hain. To, humke sacked Hain kai ye ek high risk, high reward scenario high. To, overall, ye slide hum batata high kai sahai approach, cautious planning, or expert guidance key, soth high hum successful or safe investing car sacked Hain.